3號強風信號現正生效。喺晚上9點，颱風泰利集結喺香港之西南偏西大約360公里，就係北緯21.2度、東經110.9度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，大致移向雷州半島一帶。雖然泰利正係逐漸遠離本港，但係受到佢嘅影響，本港西南部離岸海域初時仍然會吹烈風，高地風力可達到暴風程度。泰利嘅雨帶亦都會間中為珠江口一帶帶嚟強陣風。3號強風信號將會喺午夜之前維持。當泰利進一步遠離香港時，天文台會考慮改發1號戒備信號，或者以強烈季候風信號取代熱帶氣旋警告信號。海有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。請留意最新嘅天氣消息。喺過去1個鐘，昂坪、長洲同大美督分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時80、67同46公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時125、76同66公里。長洲喺過去1個鐘風勢特別大，受到烈風影響，並且錄得風速大約為每小時67公里。天文台提醒市民要加倍小心。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. At 9 p.m., Typhoon Talim was estimated to be about 360 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.2 degrees north, 110.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of Lezo Peninsula. Although Talim is departing from Hong Kong gradually under its influence, gale force winds are still affecting the offshore waters of the southwestern part of the territory at first, and up to storm force winds on high ground. The rain bands of Talim are also bringing occasional intense gusts to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force before midnight. When Talim moves further away from Hong Kong, the observatory will consider issuing the standby signal, number 1, or replacing the tropical cyclone warning signal by the strong monsoon signal. Seas will be rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. The public should take note of the latest weather information. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Chung Chau, and Tai Mei Tuk were 80, 67, and 46 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 125, 76, and 66 kilometers per hour respectively. Winds at Chung Chau were significantly higher than the general wind condition over the territory, reaching gale force. In the past hour, winds of about 67 kilometers per hour were recorded. People should exercise great care.